Google is poised to launch its highly anticipated Pixel 9 series on August 13th, marking a significant departure from its traditional October release schedule. This year's launch includes the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, also known as the Pixel Fold 2. With the release of official images for the entire upcoming lineup, Google has already set the stage for what promises to be an exciting addition to the smartphone market. For the past few years, Google has traditionally launched its Pixel phones in October, often losing potential sales to the latest iPhones, which typically launch in September. This strategic shift to an August release is aimed at capturing a larger market share by hitting the market before Apple's latest offerings. By doing so, Google hopes to entice buyers who might otherwise be swayed by the earlier iPhone releases. Ever since the company announced its upcoming event, the upcoming Pixel phones have frequently popped up online. Rather than fighting the leaks, Google has chosen to ride the wave of excitement, officially teasing the design of the Pixel 9 Pro and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. But despite these efforts, pre-production units of the new Pixel devices have continued to leak, providing a detailed glimpse into the internals of these devices. The most recent leak comes courtesy of XDA Forums, which has provided hands-on images of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which uncovers several key details about the phone. These revelations include significant upgrades in RAM, storage, modem technology, and more. One of the standout features uncovered in the leaked images is the confirmation of 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of onboard storage. This marks a significant upgrade from previous Pixel models, which have never offered more than 12 GB of RAM. Interestingly, the 128 GB variant of the phone was also recently spotted with 16 GB of RAM, suggesting that Google might be standardizing this higher RAM capacity across all the variants of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This move likely caters to the demanding on-device AI features that Google is known for, ensuring smooth performance and efficient multitasking. Such a substantial increase in RAM is expected to greatly enhance the user experience, particularly for power users who rely on their devices for intensive tasks. The leaked images also reveal that the device will utilize the Exynos 5400 modem, an upgrade from the Exynos 5300 used in previous models. The Exynos 5400 supports maximum data throughput speeds of up to 14.79 gigabit per second, promising significant improvements in connectivity and power efficiency. This modem will be produced by Samsung Foundry, using its 4nm process node, and is expected to be used across the entire Pixel 9 lineup, including the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Additionally, the Pixel 9 series will feature Pixel Satellite SOS, a feature that leverages satellite connectivity for emergency situations, enhancing the device's reliability in critical moments, which underscores Google's commitment to user safety and innovation. Moving on, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to sport a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with support for 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1344 by 2992 pixels. This high-resolution display, combined with the smooth 120Hz refresh rate, promises an exceptional visual experience, whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or browsing the web. Under the hood, the device will be powered by the Tensor G4 processor, which is also built on a 4nm process node, similar to the Exynos 5400 modem. This advanced processor is designed to deliver robust performance and energy efficiency, ensuring that the device can handle the most demanding tasks with ease. Users can expect a seamless experience across various applications, from everyday tasks to more complex computational needs. Moving on to the cameras, Google's Pixel phones have long been celebrated for their excellent camera capabilities, and the Pixel 9 series is expected to continue this tradition with several significant upgrades. The rear camera bar on the Pixel 9 Pro XL will feature three 50-megapixel sensors, covering the primary, wide-angle, and telephoto lenses. This triple camera setup is designed to provide versatility and high-quality images in various shooting conditions, even in low-light environments. The telephoto lens is expected to support up to 30x zoom, allowing users to capture distant subjects with remarkable clarity. This feature will be particularly appealing to photography enthusiasts who value the ability to zoom in on objects without sacrificing image quality. Furthermore, battery life and charging speeds are crucial factors for modern smartphones, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL addresses these needs with impressive specifications. The device will house a 5,050 mAh battery, providing ample capacity to support all-day use. This large battery ensures that users can enjoy their device without constantly worrying about recharging. As for charging capabilities, the device supports 30 watts wired charging, allowing the phone to charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. This fast charging feature is complemented by 23 watts wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, providing multiple convenient options for keeping the device powered up. These features ensure that users have a reliable and efficient charging experience, keeping them connected throughout the day. The Pixel 9 Pro XL brings back the XL branding for the first time since the Pixel 4 XL in 2019. This move signals Google's intention to offer a larger and more premium device for users who prefer a bigger screen and enhanced features. The return of the XL model is expected to be well received by fans who have missed this option in recent years, and those who like their devices big. As the official launch date approaches, anticipation for the Pixel 9 series continues to build. The combination of an earlier release date, advanced features, and strategic marketing positions Google to better compete with Apple and other smartphone giants. The excitement surrounding the new lineup is palpable, with Pixel fans eagerly awaiting the opportunity to get their hands on the latest devices. In addition to the Pixel 9 candy bar flagships, Google will also be unveiling the successor to the Pixel Fold, called the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This device aims to showcase the company's technological advancements, combining the high-end features of the Pixel 9 series with the versatility of a foldable design. While details are still emerging, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is expected to share many of the specifications of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, including the Exynos 5400 modem, the Tensor G4 processor, and advanced camera system. We discussed more about the camera configuration of the entire Pixel 9 family in our last video, and I'll add it as an end card so you can check it out if you're interested in learning more about their cameras. With that said, what do you think about the latest leaks and the features of the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Are you excited about the new camera design and the upgraded RAM? And share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. Feel free to ask questions about anything you need clarity on, and I'll try to respond to all your queries. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates, turn on post notifications, and I'll see